So tonight is the Jamal Roberts Soul Sound Choir concert night. This is an opportunity where our very own Jamal Roberts, who of course won American Idol Season 23, just took this spring break week to pour into our youth and just to inspire them in their creative ability. So we're here excited. The kids have worked extremely hard, but it's a exciting night for us.
It's been great. I love it. And I think it's really nice the way he's giving back to the community with the kids and everything. I've enjoyed it. Everyone else has.
Amazing to have Jamal Roberts here teaching and training with them. From the very beginning, from day one, Jamal was just pouring into the kids, and the kids received it so much, and they were changed. The kids have fallen in love with music and in the arts, in the culture. And we thank you, Jamal, so much for doing that for us.
This is just the beginning of many. This is a historical moment, and we appreciate Jamal for coming back, taking the time to pour out, as well as the other workshops that are going on at the next. So this is just the beginning. It's building excitement. It's building hope. Is building what we actually desire, where if you give a kid hope, the sky is the limit.